Two truths and one lie. This game's great for team building. Each person gives 3 facts about themselves. 2 are true, 1's a lie. The audience has to guess which one's a lie. Regardless if they do or don't, you get to learn a lot about each other. Here we go.
Let's go.
Let the air out of a policeman's car tire once. Worked at McDonald's. It's my first job. Was a flight attendant for a short stint.
There ain't no way he flattened the air out of a policeman's tires.
That's not right. Never worked at McDonald's.
I wouldn't have known that. Alright. Here's 3 things. First, I failed the GED, so I decided, what the heck, I'll finish high school instead. I was a Power Ranger at kids' birthday parties. I was on a reality show called Ballroom Boot Camp. I did the cha-cha.
There's no way he was ever on a reality show, ballroom dancing.
Nope, did the cha-cha. Never failed my GED.
Who knew?